everyone! Today we learned about a certain type of insect. Do you remember what insect that is? I'll give you a hint. It looks something like this. That's a ladybug. So that's the insect that we learned about today. Hopefully you remember that ladybugs have spots on them. What shape are their spots? Their spots are circles. So today we're going to play a math game where we add the spots to our ladybug depending on what number we roll or what number we pull on our cards. I guess there's a lot of different ways you can play and get your numbers, but I'm going to show you two today. So the first way is to roll a die. You might have one of these at home. I have the game of Yahtzee, so I took one of the dice from in there. If you have a dice somewhere else in your house, go ahead and find it, and maybe you want to use it for this. So the way we would play is you just roll, and then you count the number of dots that's on your die. So I landed on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means I'm going to put 6 dots on my ladybug. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now my ladybug has 6 spots. And now it's time for my next turn. So I'm going to clear it off. And roll again. Wow, I got the same number, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. 6 is the same as the last number I rolled. Let's try one more time. Ooh, this time I got 5. So I'm going to put 5 spots on my butterfly. On my ladybug. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5 spots. Now, when you draw your ladybug, you might end up with a line straight down the middle. That gives you a good chance to do some addition. So maybe you want to roll a number. This time I got the number 1. So I'm going to put 1 dot on this side of my ladybug. Now I'm going to roll another number. This time I got 4. So I'm going to put 4 dots on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4. So my first number was 1, and then my second number was 4. So let's see what 1 plus 4 equals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That equals 5. So that's a fun way you can work addition into this activity. If you don't have a die that you can use your handy dandy number flashcards. So I'm just going to put these face down on the table next to me and pull one from the top. And I look at that number. What number is it? That's the number 5. Hey, that's what we just got when we added 1 plus 4. So let me add my 5 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me show you one more example. Pull another number. That's the number 7. So I'm going to add 7 dots this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now my ladybug has 7 dots. So you can play that for as long as you want. Maybe you even want to have your sibling or your parent or whoever's watching you have their own ladybug and race and see who can get to, 10 dots or 20 dots the fastest. So maybe you can make it even into a competition. However you want to play, just practice working on counting and recognizing those numbers. And it's even a great time to practice writing your number. So after you roll a number, maybe you want to practice writing it as well. Plenty of ways that you can work our academics into it, and we hope you have fun doing it with the ladybugs.